VGT, Vanguard Information ETF, Tech ETF, whatever. VGT is sitting at approximately 580.84. And this is how have I ever made videos on this thing previously? I'm sure I did, but okay, it seems like I didn't. Doesn't matter. Pretty bullish market. With this ETF, what I'll do is just mark out the high like this. Yeah, super bullish. Now the question is how I would double down on this, which is the real question. And I'll say one thing: if it pulls back down into my demand area and there's a decent double break, you bet I'm buying. And that's like, I'm waiting for the confirmation on like a 5 to 15 minute chart. Really depends. But yeah, that's what my opinion is on Vanguard ETF. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.